Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is u.t.iny, and today I'm going to talk about a really cool technique and how you can apply and blend your eyeshadow colors. Now first, the eye area is important in makeup. It is very important. You know, there are people that judge a makeup look based on the eyebrow and the eyeshadow. Like, that's the only detail they pay more attention to in your makeup. So when they describe a makeup as being light or being heavy, these ones are simply referring to the color of eyeshadow used. So this means your eye look has to be presentable based on what you want to achieve or based on what the makeup is for. Is it an everyday makeup? Is it for a wedding? Is it for a photo shoot? Is it a dramatic makeup? All the same, it needs to be something someone would love to see. And the way you apply your colors, the way you blend your colors, will tell people how creative you are. It will give them a little insight on your creativity. The inspiration could come from any source. It could be play with colors and all of a sudden an idea comes in. Well, for starters, you might have to follow a certain pattern, or you might be asked to recreate another makeup look based on where you're learning and based on who you're learning from. I believe this is to help you understand the whole concept of application and blending. But as you expand your knowledge in makeup, it's only natural you would want to try something new. You might want to explore all the colors in your palette, and that's fine. Now, this particular look, for example, wasn't planned. I was trying out colors to see how they would look together, and this wasn't difficult for me because it's a part of makeup application that I love so much, and already I understand my technique and application blending. It's amazing how you can create something beautiful with few or with many colors. And I'm happy that the outcome of this look was much better than I had imagined. You can subscribe to my channel for more makeup tips, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.